Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I did a video. Today is very gloomy, so yeah, I'm off today, so I wanted to do like a couple of videos for you and for myself. So first of all, it's going to be a mukbang eating show with you. I ordered like that's as you can see. They use a lot of packaging. They all put it in the same box, but it's let me do the review. So that's like sausage, as you can see. That's a sausage, and I have two new crystals for you, for myself, but for you to enjoy too. Sorry, I'm gonna do 2 more videos this week, so I think it's enough. I went hard, like I almost like I have 100 video in like not even a year on YouTube, so I'm quite pleased. So I ordered like chicken fingers, chicken tenders, things like that, like you can see, with French fry and sausage, and of course mayonnaise, because I love mayonnaise with fry and chicken and things like that. First of all, I know it's not good. I'm gonna taste it before. No. I prefer my fry with salt. I'm sorry, and I'm sorry to the vegan who might watch my video or watched it already. I'm quite pleased with my YouTube channel. I don't have much, but it's only been a year. Not even a year. I don't know. I'm a certain small YouTuber, so it's kind of cool. I like the fry of the place that I got it. They are like croustillant in French. I don't know in English. I don't know. With the salad. Sorry. With the beer. But now I cannot keep it too long because I'm working. I need to go to the barber because I don't know how to. It's gonna sound stupid, or maybe not, but to trim my beard. So I always shave it completely and let it grow back. But anyway. It's not the best chicken finger, but it's good. At least it's real meat, which is cool. In those days, with the Asiatic people, I love Asiatic. It's not that. I don't want some rule as usual, normal piece and everything, but they have created like a fake egg. I saw that on réseaux sociaux, like Facebook and things like that. Like a fake eggs and things like that, false meat, and I said eggs, yeah, eggs, false meat, and false rice. Me, if I would, I don't know, because I'm not stupid. The people who control this world, the physical plane. Yes, I'm returning to my spiritual root and ways. I think they are like under pressure, by the council and everything of each country. So they cannot say everything that they know about the planet and everything. So I think they should tell if there's not enough, like there's enough food, like if like me in Montreal, like in Canada, if we would send all our waste, not our waste, but like the less pretty, less fresh to other country, they would eat, you know, because we put everything like we throw like a very good fruit and vegetable and everything like that. You know, yeah, with I don't know. I would send the food that we don't keep to other country and things like that. We don't keep it. And I drink a Pepsi. I bought a Pepsi, but I already had a Coke. But anyway, I'm gonna keep it for later. Oh. Because I think it's hiding something. When people like government or country create false meat and everything, doesn't mean that the meat is no good anymore. Doesn't mean that the planet is like I'm not saying the word, but you know, less rich. So that's a sage. And they want us to eat like false meat. I don't know. Not good. I don't know. Yeah, would probably be anyway. If I would control like a country or something like that, everyone would eat. I know it's like ideologic and everything, but you raise the salary so that it boosts the people to go work. You know, like me in my country we have like aide sociale. It's to help people who don't work. You know, they give like nothing. You pay the rent and you don't eat for the rest of the month. Or like my ex first prime minister, you eat crab dinner and cheap sausage for every week. That's why he lost. Like Couillard, anyway. Imagine it was not. I know I'm going into political and everything, but I'm just kidding with you. Like if you follow like in Canada and Montreal and Quebec, there were like an election for the Prime Minister of Quebec. 1 month before, he launched a news that people could eat for $75 per week. That's mean eating crab dinner and a cheap sausage, like anyway, you know the old-fashioned hot dog sausage. You know what they put inside of it, and anyway. He put that a month before the election. It was sure that it was not a wise move. It was sabotage. I don't know what it is, but It was not clever. I'm sorry, Kuyal. I don't follow politics, but I know what's like when I think about it and things like that. When I enter into a subject, it was not clever. Imagine, just before the election, go tell people who don't like you much. The politicians in this world are not popular. It's not true. Like it's not true. No. Even talk bad stuff in their back and anyway. It was sure that he would lose the election for sure. I don't know. It doesn't really interest me, because you hope that you take the less bad to rule the Quebec and the country of each country when you do an election. So but anyway, I'm sorry, I know dessert. I don't like it, but that's true. That's not true. I'm gonna be honest. I ate a lot of Lindt chocolate yesterday. So I didn't take anything sugary. So tell me, people, how was your week? And it's only Wednesday, but I'm free. I'm off today, going to my sister today. So I'm going to do a metaphysics video right after. But I wanted to enjoy a nice meal. It's carb, I know, but I mean, me, I'm not very superficial, and I don't care about the status of the people. If the people is nice and kind and things like that, with a good heart. But anyway, so there's few stuff that bug me on the internet about the other YouTuber and things like that. I mean, if you're not controversial when you start your video on YouTube, you don't get views, a lot of views, and you have to wait. Like they all start like people love shit, so. Like imagine, I love Chicha Peters, I always talk about her, but it's like one of the few YouTubers that I watch. But I watch others, but but I don't really watch like drama channel and things like that. I watch Trisha Peters because I find her attractive. She's very nice looking. And she's entertaining, But, people are so superficial and everything. If you're not famous, you don't get reply, and don't get fooled about like Twitter and things like that. People follow you who are famous. They might not even answer you when you say hello to them or you write them. I don't say always talk to them like to bug them and things like that, but if you see something happening in their life and you follow them for a very long time, like almost they start, and we write them a couple of times, you do video about them and everything, but they don't answer you. So anyway, because I'm not famous, you know. Anyway, I don't really care. I'm always been like that, you know. So at school I was like not the most popular, but I was with the popular because I was kind of cool and things like that. I don't know, but I was like with the popular, but I was talking to everyone. Everyone knew my name in my school, so it's cool. Of course, I went to a big school when I was younger, in secondary, and after anyway, I won't explain all my life, but I had to quit to a smaller school, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter the size, but everyone knew my name, so it was kind of cool. And I was talking to everyone. That's what I mean. It's not to sound greedy, to sound cocky and everything, but I was talking to the nerd. I was talking to. There were no like. I don't know, not for me. Like the superficial, like the popular and things like that in the United States. United States are a little bit crazy about that, you know, popularity. And then you finish high school and half of the popular have no job and everything like that. You know? I would study more in school, not try to be like the most popular and everything, the most cool guy. If I would come back, I would do things differently, you know. I would study more. Anyway, I would study more at school. I would because I was very like introverted when I was younger. Anyway, I'm talking, and my battery is going low, so you know a little bit more about me. So the last one. I don't know. Just by saying that I'm a little bit like not deeper. I'm a little bit tired of like the lie and everything of this life. Anyway, and the church is like useless now. So because that's for metaphysical rambling stuff against the church, the physical church. I mean. I love the church. I go to church like 2-3 times a month. Man, when I go like frequently, you know. As you know, I'm a firm believer of the Saint Virgin and Jesus, and the Saint and the angel, the good one, of the light, you know, the good one. But I don't believe in the human rule, physical plane, because they are corrupt and they have pressure, you know, like the Pope. I'm sure that like the cardinal and everything. I'm sure, but maybe not. I don't know. Because things would change. I don't know. I don't know the Pope. I wouldn't say things like that. But me, I would do things differently, you know. So you repair the church. Anyway, I'm going to return for another video for that. So thank you, my friend. Bless be and have a good day. And I hope you enjoy this talk with you.